Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 maths and then click on view all lessons. So here is the list of the topics we are going to cover today. We are going to do the final test of the chapter problem solving. Then we're going to start the new chapter, that is transformations and congruence. The lesson we are going to cover today from the chapter is symmetry. Identify reflections, rotations, and translations. Then the next topic is translations, graph the image. So let's start with the final test of the chapter, problem solving. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Let's start with the final test of the chapter, problem solving. Okay, I'm on the final test of the chapter. So, at soccer practice on Saturday morning, Roger's team practiced dribbling for 30 minutes and practiced shooting for 45 minutes. Then they played a scrimmage game for 30 minutes before practice ended at 11:45 a.m. What time did Roger's soccer practice start? Okay, so 30 minutes for dribbling and 30 minutes for shooting. Dribbling for 30 minutes, shooting for 30 minutes, and then no shooting, I think for yes, shooting for 45 minutes. Okay, then and scrimmage game for 30 minutes. So the total time is 30 and 30, 61 hour 45 minutes, isn't it? Okay, now you have to see what times when the practice ended, it would be 11:45. Got it? So you go back 1 hour 45 minutes, subtract 1 hour 45 minutes. That means the game when the practice start, it would be 10 a.m. Got it? The time when the practice starts, it would be they started practicing at 10 a.m. Got it? So it would be 10 a.m. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay. Anita and her family went on a backpacking trip. They started hiking at 4:45. It took 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach their campsite. After they arrived, it took 1 hour and 30 minutes to set up the campsite. What time was it when Anita and her family finished setting up their campsite? Okay, so they started hiking 4:45 p.m. 4:45 p.m. Okay, then they did hiking for 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes hiking. Okay, let's just calculate the time of the hiking. If when they hiked, what is the time? 1 hour means uh, just add 4 to 4:45. 1 hour 30 minutes. Got it? It would be it would be 4 hours 45 minutes. So after 1 hour 15 minutes, it would be 6 p.m. it would be 6:15 p.m. Got it? Until 6:15 p.m. they hiked. Got it? Okay, then for the again, it took after they arrived, it took 1 hour 30 minutes to set up the campsite. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes for campsite. Okay, now add 1 hour 30 minutes to 6:15. It would be 7:45 p.m. Got it? That means when they ended, it would be 7:45 p.m. Got it? I calculated the time like they started at 4:45. So add 1 hour 30 minutes to 4:45. Got it? So 1 hour is 5 hour 45 minutes. And when you add 30 minutes, it would be 6 hour 15 minutes. Got it? So that means at 6:15, they arrived to the campsite and 1 hour 30 minute they consume to set up their campsite. So just add 1 hour 30 minute, it would be 7:45 p.m. Got it? It would be 7:45 p.m. Got it? Is there any problem? Just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? Okay. For soccer season, Brain wants to buy a new soccer ball, a pair of shorts, and a pair of soccer shoes. The ball cost $4.40. The shorts cost $8.50 and the shoe cost $18.10. Brain has $12.60. How much more money does Brain need? Okay, first add all the amounts. Amount for ball, the amount for shorts, and the amount for shoes. Let me just add all the amounts. For ball, he needed $4.40. For shorts, $8.50. And for shoe, he need 18.10. Just add all the amounts: 0, 4 and 5 and 4, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 and 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 1, 2 carry, 2 and 1, 3. That means the total amount he needed is $31. Got it? He already have $12.60. So 31.00 subtract 12.60. It will be 0, 0, 10 subtract 6 is 4, 1, 2, borrow 1, 10 subtract 2 is 8, 2 it would be, that means the amount he needed, more amount he need is $18.40. Got it, everyone? Let me just explain what I did. Okay, the amount he need for ball is $4.40, for shorts is $8.50, and for shoe cost 18.10. So I added all the amounts. It would be $31. And he already have 12.60. We need to see how much more money does he need. Got it? So what I did, I subtracted the amount he already have from the total amount. 31 subtract 12.60 is 18.40. That means he needs $18.40 more to buy all the things. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, please contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? I'm going to start with a new chapter, that is symmetry and congruence. Here is the new chapter. Let's start with, sorry, transformations and congruence. Let's start with the new chapter. Okay, let's start with the very first topic, that is symmetry. Okay, okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? So basically, the line of symmetry is when you fold the image, it is exactly the same, like it match up the other side. Got it? So is the dotted line a line of symmetry? That means when you fold, imagine folding the picture along the dotted line. When you fold the picture along the dotted line, the two sides will match up exactly. Got it? That means they have a line of symmetry. The dotted line is actually a line of symmetry. Got it? Line of symmetry means when you fold the image along a line, it would match, the two sides exactly match each other. Got it? So the first one has a line of symmetry. Got it? Just look at the second one. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it is. Got it? Imagine folding the picture along the dotted line. So the two sides will match up exactly. The dotted line is a line of symmetry. Got it? Okay, just look at the third one. The third one is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No. When you fold the image, it doesn't match up. Got it? That means the dotted line is not a line of symmetry. Got it? Let's start with the test of the topic. Okay. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? The dotted line is line of symmetry. The answer is yes. Why? Because when you imagine folding the picture along the dotted line, got it? When you fold the picture along the dotted line, the two sides will match up exactly. Got it? That means the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Got it? So the correct option is yes. Okay. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? The answer is no. Because when you fold the image along the dotted line, it does not match up. Got it? The two sides will not match up though. So that means the dotted line is not a line of symmetry. Got it? Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry for this one? Yes or no? The answer is no. Got it? Because when you fold the image along the dotted line, it will not match up. The two sides will not match up. Yes, yes, Emmanuel, very good. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Yes, because when you fold the image, the two sides will match up. So the answer is yes. Okay, very good. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? The answer is no. The dotted line is not a line of symmetry. Got it? Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? The answer is yes, it is. Very good. The answer is yes. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it is. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? No, it is, because when you fold the image along the dotted line, it does not match up. So the answer is no. Emmanuel, it is no. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? No, the answer is no. Okay, the next one is the dotted line a line of symmetry? The answer is yes. They have it is the line dotted line is a line of symmetry. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? The answer is no. Okay, so is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Yes, it is. The dotted line is a line of symmetry. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. For this one, the answer is yes. Okay, good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the new topic. Okay, the new topic is the next topic actually. The next topic is identify reflections, rotations, and translations. Okay, look at this shape. Show which image shows our translation. Got it? You are given with three of the images. You need to see which of them shows the translation. Got it? Okay, look at this shape. A reflection flips the figure over a line to create a mirror image. That is the definition for the reflection. What is the reflection? A reflection basically flips the figure over a line to create a mirror image. So, reflection is just a mirror of the reflection is a flip of the figure over a line to create a mirror image. Then a rotation turns the figure around a point. Then C, a translation slides the figure to a new different location. So you have given A, B, and C. A is the reflection of the original image. Got it? And B is the, yes, B is actually the translation of the image. Got it? Because B is translate the shape 3 unit up and 3 unit right. Got it? Option number C is also a reflection of the mirror. Rotation actually it is. It turns around a point. Got it? Okay, let's just look at this one. Look at this shape. Which image is a rotation? Rotation is you rotate the image along a point. So B is the translation and C is the rotation. Got it? Yes, B. Option B is the translation and C is the rotation. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. Look at this shape. Show image, which image shows the translation. So a reflection flips the figure over a line to create the mirror image. Then a rotation turns the figure around a point, and then we have a translation. So our translation slides the figure to a different location. So we need to see which of them is a translation. So C is the translation. 3 unit left. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, keep going. Okay, look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? Got it? So you are given with three of the shapes. You need to see which of them is a translation. Okay. A is the A is the reflection. B is the rotation. B is actually the translation because C is the rotation along this point. Got it? So B is the translation. Yes, B is the translation. Got it? Yes, very good, Emmanuel. B is the translation. Okay, now just look at this shape. Look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? Got it? We need to see which of them is a rotation. Okay. So B is the rotation, isn't it? Which one is rotation? Which one is rotation? Yes, B is the rotation. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? Mm, B is the, which option is the correct one? Which shows the translation? It would be A. No, B. Mm, yes, A is the translation. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Good. Okay, look at the shape. Which image shows a translation? A, B, C. Which of the option is the correct one? Which of the option is the correct one? A, B, C. Yes, option number C is the translation. So option number C is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, look at the shape. Which of them is a reflection? So which is the correct option? Which of them is a reflection? Yes, very good. Option number A is the reflection. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, which look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? A, B, C. Which shows a rotation? Which of them is a rotation? C? No, I think B is the rotation, isn't it? B is the rotation. Oh, okay. So sorry. C is the rotation. Okay, good. Okay, which image shows a reflection? So which is a reflection? Which of them is a reflection? Yes, very good. B is the reflection. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, look at this shape. Which of them is the reflection? B is the reflection. C is the reflection, not B. Yes, it is C. Okay, look at this shape. Which image shows a rotation? So which of them shows a rotation? A is the rotation. Yes. Okay, the next one is look at this shape. Which image shows a translation? B is the translation, isn't it? Yes, very good. B is the translation. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is translations, graph the image. Okay, translations, graph the image. Let me write down the lesson name. Okay, translations, find the chord, graph the image. Okay, okay, the first one is graph the image f negative 1 negative 6 after our translation 3 units. Right, so you have to translate the image to 3 units. Right, got it. Okay, the f negative 1 and negative 6, we have to 3 unit, right, translate 3 units. Right, okay. Okay, first plot the point and then you move the point 3 unit. Right, this is an easy way. Okay, let's just plot the point. Negative 1 and negative 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here is the point negative 1 and negative 6. You have to move the point 3 unit, right. Okay, so let's just move 1 2, 1 unit, right. 2 and 3, it would be here. The new point is, it would be 2 and negative 6. So that means that after translation the new point is 2 and negative 6. Got it. To move right, you have to add 3 to x-axis. Got it. And left, you have to subtract 3 from the x-axis. Got it. So you move 3 unit right. That means you have to add 3 to the x coordinate. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. It would be 2 and negative 6. You have two of the ways to translate the image. One of them is translate on the graph like I did here. The second one is you have moved 3 unit right. That means you have to add 3 to x coordinates. So 3 minus 1 is 2. That means the new coordinates are 2 and negative 6. Got it? It would be 2 and negative 6. Okay, the next one is graph the image 8, 10 after our translation 6 unit down. You have to move down. Down means you have to subtract the 6 from the y-axis. Got it? Because when you move up and down, the value of the y-axis are changed. So subtract 6 from the y-axis. So it will be 8, 10 and 6 unit down. 8 and 10, you move 6 unit down. So when you move down, you have to subtract the value from the y-axis. So it would be 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. That means the new coordinates are translated coordinates are 8 and 4. Got it? It would be 8 and 4. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, the first one is graph the image S02, translate 2 unit down. Okay, 2 unit down means you have to subtract 2 to y-axis. Got it? Because when you move up and down, the value of the y coordinates is changed. So 2 unit down means you have to subtract 2 from the y-axis. So that means the new value is S00. Got it? Or you can check on the graph. When you move 2 unit down, you will be at the origin. Both values are 00. Got it? So it is 0 and 0. Got it, everyone? Is there any problem? Would be the second option, 0 0. Got it? Is there any problem? Please write a question if you have any. Okay, the next one is graph the image of V 2 and 9 after the translation 2 unit right. So when you're moving 2 unit right, 4 unit right, that means you have to add 4 to the x coordinate. So it will be 2 plus 4 is 6. So the new coordinates are 6 and 9. It would be 6 and 9. Mm, yes. Wait. Let me 2 unit right. Yes, for right you have to subtract 2 unit right means you have to subtract 4 from the mm, yes. Okay, yeah, I selected the wrong option. It is 6 and 9. Sorry. The first option is the correct one. Okay, the next one is graph the image negative 10 0 after a translation of 9 unit right. So 9 unit right means you have to add 9 to the x value. So it would be negative 9, it would be negative 1 and 0. This one is the correct option. Option here, here have negative 1 and 0. So first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, graph the image negative 3 0 after a translation of 4 unit down. So 4 unit down means you have to subtract 4 from the y-axis, y coordinate. Got it? It would be then negative 3 and negative 4. Yes, this one is the correct option. Is there any problem? Please write a question in the chat box. No one is answering. So I thought, how do I know? So if there is any problem, please write the question in chat box. Okay. Graph the image 0 6 after translation of 9 unit down. 9 unit down means you have to subtract 9 from the y coordinate. So it would be then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. So here you are on the 0 and negative 3. Got it? That means the new coordinates are 0 and negative 3. And which of, yes, this is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is mm, graph the image negative 9 and 1 after translation of 1 unit left. So you are moving from 1 unit left. That means you have to. This is the one when you move 1 unit left. Got it? It would be negative 10 and 1. Okay. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is graph the image V8 5 after a translation of 8 unit left. So you have to move 8 unit left. So when you move 8 unit left, it would be here 0 and 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. So it would be 0 and 5. Yes, that is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered 4 of the topics today. They are final test from the chapter problem solving. Then we've started the chapter transformations and congruence. We did the topic symmetry, identify refractions, rotations, and translations. Then we have started the new translations, graph the image. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact Anudra on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Thank you for your participation. That's all for today. Please click on the like button if you find the session helpful for you. Got it? That's all for today. Bye, everyone.